Welcome to Pulau Penang, aka Penang Island. We're here in Georgetown, known for its street art, Little India, and of course its food. But you already know we ain't here for any of that. We're here for its fishing and boating stores to hopefully find some high quality rope for an affordable price to make our very own RMT rolling ropes here in Malaysia. So follow me and let's see what we find.
One meter short. 1 meter short. Because you know, just
This is a bit of an angler's paradise. As you can see, loads of equipment. But we've gone for this bad boy. Okay, so we found some 12mm PP braided. I think that stands for polyester. But really nice, soft, flexible material. And then we'll go for a slightly thicker one, just to make a heavy rope as well. We're looking to make 3 ropes with this one, so I've gone for 13 meters, about 4 meters per rope, and then an extra meter just to be on the safe side. For my height, I'm about 5'10".
13 meter.
Yes, please, 13 meters. Okay, so we've got 2 types of ropes. Our slightly thicker one was 5 ringgit per meter, which equates to 83 pence. The thinner one was 7 ringgit per meter, which is £1. What was it? Which was just slightly over £1 per meter. We've got 13 meters here, 4.5 meters here. Altogether, we're going to make 4 ropes for just under £19, which was about just over 100 ringgit. Okay, so starting with the thicker one. Okay, so just making the handle on one side. Okay, so we want this as thick as possible. And we're going to go for about 4 loops round. Okay, that's just a little bit short, so just need a little bit more length on that side. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect, and we're going to feed this through this loop here. I'm just going to pull that in. Just pull both ends. Looks good. Okay, so in terms of the height, we want it somewhere between the ribs and the armpits, with the bottom just off the floor. So something like this. So as you can see, 4.5 meters, loads of length. I'm about 5'10", so we got more than enough here. Okay, I think that's just about perfect. Again, if it's a little bit too long, you can always tie a loop just just to shorten it a little bit, like so. Okay, so now we're just going to tape up the ends and cut the ends off. Okay, like so. I'm just going to do that on both ends. Okay, moving on to the thinner one now. This is spot on, perfect. So just going to repeat this another 2 more times and that'll be our 4 ropes done. Delegating the work. Prola. Yeah, it's good, ready to go. So we got a little bit left over, completely normal, but better to have a bit left over than to be short and then be really frustrated. And just like that, we have 4 new rolling ropes. I'm really happy with how these ones have turned out. Let's give them a test in a bit. I approve. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.